guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some slime. So the first thing you're going to need is something to mix in. So I'm going to be using this little pot that my sister made me for my birthday. Something to mix with. I'm using this paintbrush. Some Colgate toothpaste. And this is the cavity protection. And lastly, we need some salt. Any kind of brand will work. Just focus there. So I actually put some into this measuring cup. So yeah, let's get started. First thing we want to do is, oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, we're also going to be needing some shampoo. So I'm using this kind of healthy hair. This way. But yeah, let's just. So first thing you want to do is take your shampoo, shake it, okay, and then just put some in. Sorry about that. Just like that. Put some shampoo in. Sorry, my leg is showing. I need the tripod holder. And you want to make sure it's like thick shampoo. See? Thick. And I'm going to be showing you how to make slime with only 3 ingredients: toothpaste, salt, and shampoo. So yeah, so just do it. And once you get into the consistency like that, like a thick consistency, you want to just take your soap and make sure you don't take a lot, because if you take a lot, it'll make it watery. Take a little pinch, just put it in, and stir, and it'll change the color. I think any kind of shampoo will work. It doesn't have to be a thick soap. Once you like the consistency, I don't really like that. I need a teeny bit more salt. Just like a little. And now I like the consistency. So it's like really thick. It's still kind of sticky. And then you want to take your Colgate toothpaste. Oh, and you want to make sure it has these words that made this bit. I always say there's like so much shampoo on it. Fluoride toothpaste. Any kind of toothpaste that says fluoride will work. So yeah, let me focus it. There. And now we're gonna take that out. Just get a little. You don't need a lot, because this is like super thick toothpaste. And you want to like break it, because this looks so thick. I actually came up with this recipe myself. And it smells really good. It smells like mint. So here's the consistency. If we get to focus. And you can put it in the freezer or like the fridge for like. If you put it in the fridge, put it for like 10 minutes. And if you put it in the freezer, put it for like 3 minutes. Because last time I did it for like 10 minutes, it froze. So yeah, that's how you make your own slime. It's still kind of sticky though. I might put it in the fridge or freezer. So yeah, let me know if this turns out. Comment down below. Please, 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 I want this video to get 10 million views or likes. I want to get a lot of likes. I just started YouTube, so please like and subscribe. So, bye.